What's up, guys? Today we got the January MTB. This is her second MTB that she got.
This is for my birthday.
Or your birthday.
6-month subscription. So yeah, we'll start back up again. We'll open it up. Let's open the surprises. So
What's up with the stickers?
yeah, this is the sticker. This is like the Wyoming sticker. So that's the Wyoming sticker right there.
Bull's running a face like a ball.
And then that's like the dibble thing, you know, that we got again.
Here's a
That's the same challenge.
Same challenge as December one.
So we get the what's inside thing. So the first thing that I saw was the Savage Gear 3D Bluegill Slow Sink Swim Bait, and that was $9.99. So that was your big price.
That's like the main course.
Yeah, so there's a big hook at top, and then this would be good for like summer fishing out at our pond and everything. And then a treble hook at the bottom. You can go subscribe to their YouTube channel.
Okay.
All right, so next thing.
Let's leave those for like.
All right.
Next thing that we have is the Lunker City
Shaker.
something like that. Yeah.
Lunker City Shaker, and this was $4.49.
So yeah, you want to put these on.
Probably the other wig
You probably want to use some of these hooks.
They're the Stickies EWG Hook 210.
And these will look like dying minnows, and it'll catch their attention and stuff.
All right, just like I forgot to explain this one, but you got your little swim bait here. I would suggest a slow roll, just slow crank this swim bait.
Kind of like a wake bait.
Yeah, just give it a little slow roll, and that's it. I wouldn't reel in fast. Just give it a little slow roll, and
Maybe a few jerks here.
I think you guys have the best chance on just slow rolling it. So, and then here's the little minnows, fluke type, paddle tail flukes. Put them on a weightless Texas hook, maybe 3/0 Texas hook, weightless. Throw it, wheel it in, do a little jerk like you would a jerk bait.
You probably want to bring this thing out probably in like later morning, so like 8 to 12 when they're really getting real hungry. And so these are the Stickies EWG hook, and they're 210.
Oh, here we go, the 4/0. I guess I want you to use the 4/0 on these minnows.
So then we have the 10,000 Fish Craw, and they're $5.99. They're a watermelon red, and it's a 7-pack.
Yeah, with these, you can throw weightless, or you can use a little bullet weight.
Yeah,
Put
you
it
might
on
want
the
to use a
front.
little bullet weight for
Jerk it
that.
up, crank along the bottom, or just go up and down.
And yeah, these are a little bit too big for jigs for trailers.
Yeah. So
They have infused scent and salt.
So this is the last thing that I have in my box today. This is a Z-Man Streak Z Curly Tails. And these are $4.49, and they're like the midnight oil color.
So yeah, these you could probably use some more of these hooks on. Maybe put a bullet weight on them and stuff, and it'll kind of look like a little bait fish kind of thing.
Sorry for all the noise in the background.
So here's pretty much a recap of all the stuff we got. We got the big swim bait.
The 3D
realistic looking swim bait.
slow sink swim bait. So good for like a sort of, I would say, like a later morning-ish, like 8 or 9, you know, when they're really, really getting hungry. And then we got the Lunker City Shaker. And then those look like the Saw Crawd.
Got the hook, 4/0 hooks,
And then the Z-Man.
little paddle tail flukes. So that's gonna be it for this video. And brawlers of this dude and me, they have an account, Emmons the Outdoors. Go check them out. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Post notifications.
But that's the end for this video.
Happy birthday, me!
Yeah, happy birthday, Claire. Probably do more videos like this. So see you guys next time.
Like and subscribe.